What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package, while I shuffle around in the background looking for his card, was sent to me by my good friend at Justin the Hunter on Instagram. Give him a follow. People like him make this content possible, so thank you so much, Justin. I really appreciate it. As usual, if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea, you can find her down in my description along with a bunch of other very useful items. There's also my Patreon link down there, and of course, the link to my new merch shop. So if you'd like to get your hands on some really cool Metal Complex themed merch, check out my link at the very top of the description. Anyways, let's go ahead and get in here. We have potentially something with personal information on it, so hang on a sec while I make sure. Oh, nope, it's just reinforcement of the package. But what we do have here is a Protech. So this is, I have a version of this, but this is my first time handling this one. And Justin, told me, he was like, I'm so excited to get this in. I saw you had a version of this, and I picked myself one up. And he sent this because it's different than the one that I handled. And I'm very excited. Ooh. I'm very excited. It's very small, and there's a specific reason that I'm so excited to get my hands on this. Get this pouch open. Here we go. Oh, it's a little PT. This is the mini Strider Protech collab. Ah, I love it. I love it. So normally I don't like little tiny knives. But I am a big fan of the Strider Protech collaboration. I'll get my big one out here so you guys can see. This is mine, more of an SNG size. This is the little one's more of the Strider PT size. I actually have a large Strider here, so I can give you guys a full spread for size comparisons here. So this is an actual Strider SMF, and then we have a Strider SNG Protech collab, and then we have the little PT. These are actually the three different sizes of Strider here. But the reason that I was excited about the little one is because normally I don't like them because they're three-finger position knives. But I was excited about this one because I thought, that one's really small, but I can totally choke up on that, and you can! Oh, that is so cool. So cool. A little automatic knife. This is aluminum, and then we've got 154 cm on the other side. Little automatic, beefy little automatic knife, but it's still ultra lightweight, and that action, it really kicks hard for a little tiny automatic knife. Oh, I love this. This is so cool. Oh, man. I can't wait to talk about this. And rest assured, we will, of course, be doing comparisons with the actual Strider and this other, the larger SNG collaboration. Anyways, thanks so much, Justin. I really appreciate it. Like I said, guys, check the links in the description if you want to check out my Patreon, if you want to pick up some cool gear, or if you'd like to check out my new merch store. But that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, you're excited about this knife, let me know. Please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.